Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Oh, wait. There we go. Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. All right. So, we're live. Looks like the market is liking what the Fed said. I'm gonna be real. I don't trust this move. I don't think it's I don't quite think we're gonna stay up like this, but we'll be on the lookout for it. XO Cole, top of the morning. I appreciate the like. I see we got one like, 3 people on, 4 people on, one like. All right, so kind of looking at things. I'm gonna mark this level up here. If we come up here, I'm gonna take it short. We're up here next to all-time highs. I don't really trust this. I think that would be a great level to sell off. We'll have to look at the data and whatnot, but yeah, we're like right there. So here, let me drop down to a 5. Might play the SPY, but yeah, I'm not trusting this push we've made. This falls right in line with kind of what I was expecting. All right, let's see here. One other thing, I think I'm gonna cut out of this Microsoft call because it does not look like it's it doesn't look like it's gonna find live. So I'm gonna cut out of that real quick. Let me alert the family real quick too. I'm done with Microsoft. If it doesn't want to blast up the same way everything else is, it might want some more downside. So let me update that. That's what I mean by I don't like Microsoft. Well, mostly because of Bill Gates, but I don't usually like trading it either, and this is an example of why. Just sold out of Microsoft call at share. Okay. All right, there we go. Got that shared. All right. And good morning, Tyler. Good morning. Big Reg, top of the morning. Matthew, top of the morning. Harish. So I use Robinhood and Moomoo for options trading. Brandon, good morning. Full J. What do you mean, what ticker? Kong, top of the morning. Anil, good morning. Hey, these stocks are up right now. These stocks are up. Here, let me get a look at AMD too. What's that looking like? All right, so also I also be willing to take a short on AMD at this level. I'm gonna just set some alerts. Yeah, we got that there. Got that there. Luke, good morning. Yeah, Microsoft, it does have another week, but also it's not doing anything. It doesn't want to come to this level, and it's losing more and more value as time comes. So it's like the trades I've been making have been to kind of offset it, but it's like it's not doing what it looks like it needs to do. Like right here, we're on a 4-hour. It was over here oversold, and it's pretty close to being back in the middle in a comfortable area, and it's barely moved up. So it's actually lower than it was when I bought it. So I'm just cutting out of that. It unfortunately doesn't look like it's going to do what I want it. Just clear another. Hey, good stuff, Big Reg. Hey, top of the morning, D Scurv. Let's get it. Oh dang. Oh yeah, we got Trump speaking in like 25 minutes too. That could line that could line up with how I'm saying, oh, I could see I want to take a short if we get up here. That could line up with that. I don't know. Yo, we are things are things are thinging. Here, let's see. What's the Q's looking like? Okay, it's a little different for the Q's. I don't even. Yeah, I'm gonna stick to the SPY for now. Peter, good morning. Robert, good morning. April, good morning. Powell made the market run just from talking. Yeah, so I mean, honestly, the market I feel like kind of overreacted a little bit coming into it. So it's like I semi expected that, but I feel like something's gonna slap us down. I'm gonna have to look at all. I'm gonna have to hop in and look at the options analytics and stuff for the SPY. Kind of curious what's going on with that. Hey Yoko, good morning. Good morning. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna get in here, see what I see for the options orders and stuff. Anil, already everything went up. Do you think we might get Yeah, for sure. I think there's opportunities every day. And I was looking at it, I was like, oh, I might want to get in, but then I was like, nah. I was like, nah. So I was like, every time I get in on days like this, like at the old time, around the time I'm getting off, I'm like, oh, there's the move I really would have liked. So I think it's a blessing to come on at this time and be able to see things. And I think today could be full of all sorts of volatility. But once again, let me look at these the situation on the SPY. So we got options. Let's look at the analysis. All right, so there are a load of calls at this 645 area. Okay. Oh, well, that's the volume. All right, looking at the actual strikes. Okay. All right, so there were a lot of people that had 640s. All right. All right, so I got some things I'm on the lookout for. We'll kind of watch things, but let's see. Okay. Do you think okay, hands are getting itchy to get into a trade today. I've been away from Oh, hey, I don't hey. Don't let them itch too much. Today they will come with the games. Today is a pretty big options expiration, so volatility is to be expected. There will be opportunities, but there will likely also be games. So watch out, be careful. Don't go in with any money you can't afford to lose. Trump talking will drop the SPY after he rips on Powell talking. Hey, we'll see. We'll see. Hey, it's a good chance though. Chase, good morning. What do you think about a week away put on SPY and QQQ? Because even if it doesn't come down today, uh, I have a hard time timing the SPY, but I don't think a put on the SPY is the worst. I personally would just like try to wait till we at least come up to this 647 high, like sweep this liquidity. I think we can push a little higher. I might take my chance on like a same day. But yeah, I think we can push a little higher than that, then come down. I might, depending on when we actually hit, I might go same day or I might go for tomorrow. If we can get something in this next here, what is it? Like 20 minutes? Then I might go same day. If not, then I might go for Monday. After the trend down this week, the market needed it. Yeah, we did. We very much did. The only thing that throws me off is we didn't officially break the range to the downside. So we're kind of in a weird little area. I gotta put on SPY. We going down. Pray for me. I pray that the SPY comes down soon enough for your put, cause it's like I feel like timing is a little tricky. I feel like they can kind of leave it trading, like kind of doing this like slow stuff to kind of try to burn some contracts and burn the theta. All right, so this is like the third time I've got this notification about Trump saying he'll fire Fed Governor Lisa Cook if she doesn't resign. What's up with him trying to fire everybody? Trump. I don't know. Very aggressive. Marvin, top of the morning. I don't work today, family. I'm assuming you mean at work. Hey, get that bread, get that money. 19th like I'm assuming hymns. Is that did that not pop with everything else? Oh, it popped, but it came down. Yesterday it looks like it consolidated through that little area. So now support's being used as resistance, so I would probably look to get out soon because it's below that channel. That channel is now being used as resistance, so I would personally cut out, take whatever I could, because I don't see the market having too much more steam. I took a loss today. I cut out a Microsoft for a loss. You know, things don't always go our way, but preserving our capital is how we live to trade another day and get the opportunity to actually make some money. So took a risk on BMNR. Wait, where did I just see MSense chat? Like, how did I just? Oh, okay, it's right there. Took a risk on BMNR, got a nice little 20%. Hey, good stuff, good stuff. Fill up top of the morning. Hey, I hope you were able to benefit from this great day, Philip. Can you put position entered in chat? I likely will not, but if somebody else wants to share what I get in, that's cool. Like that'll be one thing. But I feel like things move a little fast. If I get in something, I'm gonna be monitoring it, so I'm not gonna really have it to type it in the chat like that. Cause I already posted in the Discord. SoFi did that 25. Oh yeah, I saw that. I was thinking about you saying that yesterday, D Scurv. I was like, okay. Yeah, I was like, I see it right there. Or maybe you said the day before. It might be it's either yesterday or the day before. You were like, either way, it's happening. Hey, top of the morning, Levi. Hey, Tesla kind of went on a run this morning. Good little morning for Tesla. I was 5 cents away from my limit by purchasing it. Still got some money on this crazy push though. No, what's crazy is like yesterday when I was talking about grabbing a out of the money call because we were at that level of support for today. The contracts were expensive, but it was about like 150 for a 639 call. And that's like pretty much where the market opened up. And then like, yo, now that contract, yo, it's the contract would have been worth it, but held it all the way here. But the contract would have been worth it. Am I missing any opportunity? I'm sure there are several opportunities missed, but what you have to focus on is like the opportunities that are right here in front of you. Okay, let's see. Matthew, I would like to learn options trading. Do you have any course or a breakdown for it? So I'm working on something right now. If you are interested, what you could do is here. Let me actually post it. If you are interested, I have a survey at the moment that I would love for you to fill out. Let me where's my little survey? Let's see. Oh, let's get that out. Why is it not working? All right, so wait, did that? I'm not sure if it's working. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's gonna be the pin chat comment. It's like yeah, if you're interested, uh fill that out. Working on something right now, Peter. Happy Johnson hole. Is that a joke, Mass 3DRC, or did you mix up Jackson with Johnson? Open took off and will benefit from the hint at rate cuts. Yeah, I think a lot of small caps will. Let's see. Yep, there it goes. So the Magnolia, good morning. Oh yeah, that like button, the smash rate is atrocious. It's like we're trying to go to El Salvador. Anyone notice how yesterday, once the likes came up, the trade just magically came out of the woodworks? I don't know, but it might happen again today. I really thought we weren't gonna find a trade yesterday, and then it's like, hey, the likes was looking right, and then it was like all of a sudden I could see. Well, I don't know. It's like we're below 50% right now. We got 53 lurkers on stream. Crazy. SoFi, please. What about SoFi, Devi? Intel, please. All right, y'all. In the most respectful way possible, I see y'all throwing these stocks, but like SoFi, please. Intel, please. We got Chase saying SoFi and Hertz. Y'all gotta give more detail. I don't know what lens to look at these through. Help me help you. Cause now I'm like, cause it's like I'll just open up SoFi. I'll be like, oh wow, look, it went up, crazy. Open Intel, it's like, oh yeah, it's on the run. Thinking of buying a September end of the month, but I don't think that's a bad idea. Do not think that's a bad idea. I don't know how to. I'm personally like when it comes to buying puts on like. Was that on the SPY? You said that for him? Oh, you just said end of the month. Yeah, I don't necessarily know exactly how to target where, but it's not a bad idea. And Chase, I had asked you like, was there a catalyst for Hertz, or like I saw your message. Now, if Hood could hit that all-time high, the day is done. Yeah, I think Hood had some levels to run through. Where is it at? Yeah, right here. We see it's at like it's at resistance. And now this resistance is like kind of being tested. Like, yeah, it's on the downside of both of these now. So this might be a kind of turning point for Robinhood. Had a 640 SPY call, made profit. Hey, it happens. It happens. Bro, when you get into any trade today, can you also let us know how to play with 3 to 5K? What should no, I cannot exactly. So if I were playing, I'm playing with maybe a sixth of that size. So if I were playing with like 5K, or if I had 3K, I would probably take whatever I'm going to do today. If I get one contract, I would probably get like 6 contracts. But like I don't set stops or anything like that. I enter and I exit on stream. And if I don't exit on stream, I usually say what the plan is and I stick to the plan. But no, I can't tell you exactly what to do. But if you're in the Discord, you can see when I enter and when I exit and whatnot. But it's like I'm not a financial advisor. I just share what I do on here. I legally cannot give financial advice. It's a LOL. The like button loves to be hey, it does, but it's not getting the love it needs. Yo, 42 likes. I know y'all are out there, family. Natasha, good morning. Steve says your volume is off. I don't know what that means, Steve. I know that's like 3 minutes ago, but I don't know what that means. SPY is about to hit rock bottom. That's my hope, but it doesn't mean SPY is going to take its time. So I think we got like, I guess 7 minutes till Trump starts speaking, if he starts speaking on time. We're not going to sit here and listen to that, but it's like we'll be on the lookout for like headlines, any kind of movement, any like surges. But beyond that, I don't know. Good line. Okay. Hertz partnership with Amazon and SoFi wants to push past $25. Okay, so I'm less interested in the SoFi, but because there are a lot of stocks right now that want to push past things, but Hertz, we'll take another look at. Oh, hold up, not up here though. We'll take a look at Hertz. All right, so yeah, we got a little. Hey, looks like we're breaking on the 4-hour. We do have some liquidity up here at 609. See how we're looking on the weekly. I don't know. Hertz is at a level right now where I would just take a shot on it. Like, let's see what the Hertz Global has teamed up with Amazon to sell used vehicle on the. Oh, okay. That sounds kind of nice for Amazon, honestly. Amazon is getting into the car business. Ooh, that hurts and helps. Yeah, I would say that sounds like a nice deal for Amazon. But that's a good little pop. Let's see. Neo is up. Yeah, Neo's been up this week. Up 35 in the intro contract expiring. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, I was thinking the spy around 620. That seems like a solid area. Sell or hold. JR, that's your position, but I would recommend not letting it go green. I would say honestly, if you have to ask if you should sell or hold, it's probably a good time to take profits. If you're up 35%, it's like indecision. Like one thing that you need to learn if you want to be like successful is to make decisions fast. It's not necessarily like it doesn't need to be the best decision. It doesn't need to like yeah, it doesn't need to be the best decision. It could actually be a really bad decision, but the more decisions you make, the more kind of yeah, just the more decisions you make, the more reps you get, the better you get at making good decisions quickly, and then also just yeah, just the more experience you get over time. It's like you learn to recover from those like bad decisions. And I'm not saying go make a bunch of bad decisions. Like a lot of the times, if it's a bad decision, you know it's a bad decision. But yo, I would encourage you to learn to make decisions quicker. And I think like if you look at your life 2 years out from now, yo, you'll be very happy you did. Like if you're thinking about doing something, stop thinking about it, do it. And then all that time you spent thinking about it, you may realize, yo, I'm doing it. I don't like it. Now you can stop thinking about it. It's a little experience. And then you can move on to the next. Highly, highly recommend just taking action. All right, took the trade on Hertz. Bet. Expecting it to go to 616. Let's see. I mean, yeah, could happen. I want to see like 619 or 618 first, but or actually there are a lot of places, but yeah, I think it could like run very close to that. Curious on what the history is on rate cut. September's on the 17th. It is. Wait, what is this? Okay, I just got a notification. Oh no, it's just it says breaking news, but it's not really very breaking news. It's just like an update on the markets. All right, so SPY trying to do a little pullback here. I'm not quite biting yet, but it's pulling back. I feel the need to be kind of snobby and wait for things. It's like if I miss out on a trade and it just falls like a rock, then I miss out and it falls like a rock. But we'll see. Okay, on the 17th, it's all certain cuts are coming 25 points. Not sure where to find. I don't know. I'm not sure exactly either, but like one of the people that I follow on YouTube, they say if you ask those questions on Chat GPT, like you could probably copy and paste that exact comment you just posted into Chat GPT. They will give you, I mean, first off, like know that AI has hallucinations and not everything's true, but usually it'll give you a pretty accurate like summary of it, and like you can even ask for like sources and it'll give you that. So I would do that and then look at the sources and see if you think it's legit, and that's kind of where I would look to find that information. You said you couldn't hear me for a while, really? Interesting. That's crazy because nothing has changed on my end. That's crazy that y'all couldn't hear me. I don't know if that's I don't even know what to blame on that, honestly. Cause everything over here is like showing me fine, but that's crazy. Think Neo takes a breather and falls back to six if it hits 650. We can take a look at Neo. We trying to get down to the hold up. Down to the nitty gritty on Neo. Yeah, I see a gap at 556. It will be back for that. There's a gap at 5 and also a gap at 444. It'll likely be gap. It'll likely be back for all those. Very oversold on the 4. It's oversold on the weekly now. So yeah, I would like to think it can come back to this yeah, it's left some liquidity at this 437. This is on the weekly, so it could take time to get to that. Like it can still push. Like this if it closed out today anywhere where it is right now, yo, it can push. But for something like this, I would play the game of patience. Okay. I was just doing a job at an Amazon location. They were adding tons of EV chargers. Hey, that's clutch. Oh well, like so Amazon, like I think not last summer, but the summer before. So what was this 2025? So I guess summer of 2023. It may have been a little before that they did the deal with like Rivian for the like EV kind of delivery things. But yeah, they need like they need those EV chargers for to like charge their Rivian vehicles. So maybe more Rivian fleets kind of going on, or maybe they're just regular ones for the employees. I don't know. Still holding my 622 puts. 21 days till extra expiration. This is Wall Street chapping us. Hey, that's how it is. That's why I try to play at the extremes, and then sometimes you just it just keeps going, and what you thought was an extreme wasn't an extreme, and then it's like man, big time top of the morning. Brandon, no issues with your audio for me. Hey, glad to hear that. I'm not sure if it's just like a couple people, because I feel like this whole time I've been able to interact with people, but I don't know. It's very odd. All right, so Trump should have started speaking. So I'm watching, like once again I'm watching The Spy, and then I have like I think if I take a trade today, it'll likely be Spy or AMD. That's what I'm looking at. Little zero DT. Appreciate you, Zozu. You too, Haldan. Very much so appreciate y'all. All right, let's see. Let's see. Um, Oh wait, I'm over here looking at the stock prices. I need to be looking at the contract prices. All right, so let's see. We got the SPY. Okay, puts aren't that bad on price right now. Let me go double check the options data that I was looking at. Okay. All right. So I do have a strike I'm looking at already. Actually, hold up. I might like another one more, but we'll kind of see whenever things kind of do their thing. Jojo, good morning. Oh, I'm gonna have to bring this down. I'm over here just sitting up. All right. Let's enjoy this piece while we have it. Market just getting a little consolidation in here. Let me go to 1 hour on the Q, see what the chart's looking like. Okay. So it looked like on the SPY. Okay. So it's kind of like anything can happen. What's the 4 hour looking like? Okay. All right. Yeah, we'll just let it do its thing. Yes, I would love to see the SPY just go for it. Oh, I wanna look at some. I don't normally trade using this, but I also do want to see where is VWAP today. All right, so VWAP is I'm gonna leave this on today, but I'm gonna have to close. Wait, hold up. But I'm gonna have to close this these little bands. Okay, there we go. Got VWAP on today. Man, I gotta start believing the reversal signs. Hems was doing exactly what you were saying right as you were responding to me. Crazy, I took some gains. I'm in the green, but hey, at least you came out green. Meanwhile, SPY up $10. Hey, that's good. What's the purpose of using so VWAP? So this is the average price that the stock is trading at today. Oftentimes when you get like really far away from it, we will revisit it. So that kind of helps to give me a target. Like it kind of helps to put like a target in mind. So it's like I am looking for potential areas. Like I'm trying to figure out what kind of strike prices I would want to get if I want to enter a trade. So notice the VWAP is moving up kind of aggressively. But yeah, I just want to have like some potential areas to target. And like a move back to the VWAP is not out of the question. But I want you to know that I like pretty much never use the VWAP, but right now, like it's just something I'm aware of and have knowledge on. I just I don't ever use it. I don't ever find it to be necessary. But today is like it's very volatile. There's a wide range for today. And like I'm targeting downside and I know we're above the VWAP, so it's like I just want to have like different targets to get out. By humbug to at least coming out green. Gotta gain the lesson, then the profits will. Hey, for real. Here, let's see. All right. Dominique. Once again, I think this was said yesterday. Welcome to the family. Oh, y'all, I'll be right back. Did you did you link everything up with Discord, Dominique? Let's see. Now is our chance to hit that like button. Don't be a lurker. Avoid Alcatraz. Whoa. Yes. Yeah, we're kind of, hey, we're lagging a little bit. All right. So, hold on. Let's see. Let's see. Can I close this? There we go. Let's refresh. Yeah, I don't really see anything going on. Look like on a 10. Yeah, we're still riding on a 10. I think that's the best kind of EMA. What it looks like today, what we're riding. Let's see. What's your thoughts on the SPY and AMD today? Sorry if I missed your. So I would like to short them. I would like to short SPY, like if it can come up to 647 or push past that. AMD, if it can come up to like 170, I would like to short it, but we'll see. Bro, you think it's a good idea to do options on? That's exactly what I do, Ram. That is how I am trading. Like every trade that I think pretty much every trade I've ever taken has been on a mobile phone in the app. I think I've used Webull desktop once to take a trade. Yo, I did not like it. I did not. So, for me, yeah, that's what's good for me, but what works for you might be different for me. You know, some people like to sleep on their side, some people like to sleep on their back. I can sleep on both sides and on my stomach, but I'm not really a back sleeper. So, you know, it's to each their own. Everybody has their thing that they prefer. Pulling on back a little bit. We do have a lot of liquidity up here. Building on the liquidity, but we also have, I don't know, it's like also we have some liquidity at this 643 area too. Where it's like, oh, we might pull back to the 643 area, and then that also lines up with the VWAP, and that might be go for upside. So that might be an entry there too. So yeah, hey, that could be where we're headed right now. Very welcome, Ram. Ram or Rom, either way, very welcome. Here, let me see if I can identify like a. Nah, that's too. Oh, actually, hold up. If I had to, that is a thick line. Why is that line so thick? Oh, okay, wrong tool, wrong tool. I was like, yo. Let's see. Try to. Try to have that there too. I have a 645 put when you think I should get out. If it gets there, it's like I really don't know. It kind of comes down to you. There's all sorts of areas where it can do it. It's like I cannot really say unless I'm like in the trade. I can't really. It's not the same if I'm not in it. Like you know, you can try to draw a little downtrend right here and say, oh, as long as we're below this, you know, I'm fine. Just made 50 on the SPY call to the downside. Bought a 48 or 648 put earlier. Hey, good stuff. Yeah, I'm here trying to let these contracts get cheap. Let me look at that call I was looking at earlier. Let's see. Yeah, I was looking at a 645 zero DT earlier. It was like 60 cents. Now it's like 85. I think the contracts can get better though. Let me check the options volume on the Moomoo. Oh yeah, there's a wall or at least volume wise. I don't know about the actual open interest, but yeah, there's a volume wise. There's a lot of puts. That's what I do. Downtrend, and I said as long as we do not let it go above, let it ride. Hey, I think that's a good way to do it, honestly. I have to start being happy with the profits I get. It's often more than I spend a day, but I have a mystery set amount that I rarely reach. Up 40. Wait, up 40, now only up 17. Yeah, I know that feeling. I know the feeling. I think this little slowing right here is good for now. Yeah, may end up being like a little late 0 DT sniper or something. Yeah, we're kind of just we're chilling right now. We'll see if we make it to VWAP. Volumes. Wait, where's my mouse at? Oh, hold up. Yeah, volumes kind of moved down dramatically. Palantir to the downside. Here, let's get a closer look at that. It looks like it could be getting ready to go up though. Like just the way it's coming down. Like it's coming down, but let me get rid of this. And then it's like right there by the 13 EMA too. right, spy. Hey, that spy puts in the money for you, Devin. Let's see. Let's see how the one I was looking at is doing. Okay, it's gone from about 60 to. Okay, that's a good little move. I didn't have the certainty to get in that move yet, though. All right, yeah. Good little pullback action. That's always nice. Okay, but when it was 40, it was only 40. That's my problem. It's been only 100. No, yeah, I know. It's like, yo, we gotta start learning to appreciate what we have. Okay, the press talk over. Where's the bread at for the rest of the day? We'll see. Yeah, we'll see. Let's see what happens here. Well, I'm watching the volume on the SPY, see if we get a decent pullback. Yeah, I might if we come here, I'll try to go for something here too. Let's see if I can bring that up. Yeah, I'll try to go for something if we come hit that. Market trap. Market trying to trap. Hey Matthew, what's your zodiac sign? Oh, I don't really subscribe to all that stuff, but it's like if I had one, it would be Pisces. Diet or Daniel, you use trend lines correctly. Diet or Daniel, maybe your mind is not open enough. There is more than one way to use a screwdriver. There's more than one way to use a trend line. It's like I make money with trend lines. I think the point of trend lines is to get you to the money. So it's like if what I'm doing works, then it doesn't even matter if I'm using it wrong. My Neo 4-5 strike call for September printed. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Hey, never be upset taking profits. All right. I was worried a couple days ago. Bought a BMNR call. Hey, here's to coming back a little bit. Here, let's see. Waiting for the markets to drop before I get in so I can eat up that. Oh no, I feel that. Feel that. Matthew, Robinhood added XSP. Now no more trading SPY. I'm gonna still stick to the SPY for now. I might look at it. I might look at that in the future. But I need to see how it moves and stuff. Because it's like I've been playing with the SPY and it's not broken for me. So it's like until it breaks for me, I don't feel the need to fix it. It's like there's always a lot of alternatives and stuff, but it's like people will always tell you need to change and oh, this could be better, this could be better. there's no need to fix something until it is broken. It's like a lot of times people, like, there's always going to be something new. There's always going to be something new to put your eyes on. And what that does is causes you to lose focus. It's like I didn't see any success in anything until I found focus. I still could stand to be more focused, but it's like the more focused you are on something, the more surgical, the better you know it. So it's like that's something I could look at, but I'm gonna stick to the spy for now because it's working. I'm noticing more and more less people concerned with zodiac. Hope I didn't miss the bus. So M-Sense, when it comes to like the zodiac stuff, I would say there are a lot more people kind of. It seems like there are a lot more people kind of subscribing and giving that stuff. I would say there's a lot more polarization going on with like the zodiac signs and stuff. Um, like the deeper into like the Bible and religion and whatnot you kind of get, the more that you find that that stuff does not really align with like Christ and his teachings. So that's personally why I don't do it, but or why I don't mess with it because it's like not trying to like get at anybody or get at anything, but it's like when you say something like if I say I am a Pisces, that is essentially like letting like a entity that is allowing an entity to enter like you. So it's like I don't subscribe to that stuff. I am who I am. I am made in the image of Christ, and it's like I try to live like that. That's why, like, I am one to turn the other cheek when somebody is rude to me, and I just like I kind of like squint. I like really scrutinize the things that I hear and see, and it's like I still take in things that I know aren't the best for me, or things that aren't things that are still bad, like a lot of the music I listened to growing up, but it's like I don't turn a blind eye to it. It's like I'm aware and I still like have my shield on for things now. Made 2K just trading spy. Hey, good stuff, Maurice. Tana da Tana the Cannon. Yes, it does. I don't know what you're saying it in reference to, but yes, it does. You get involved with the demonic things get involved with you. Yeah, I personally believe there's a lot of things that are in our everyday lives that are they seem regular, have been made to be regular, but they're actually, yeah, very demonic, and it's like you wonder like why anxiety is like at an all-time high, all this mental health is like running rampant and everything. It's like, yo, I'm good. Like I'm good. I don't have any issues. I'm like good, and it's all just reading. In regards to zodiac aligning with the Bible, they had to find where Jesus was at. He was born by the star alignment. Things can, hey, we're here to trade stocks. Um, I think there can be arguments on both sides, and I think there are kind of, I would say there are levels to it. It's like we'll just leave it at that. You can say yes, it does, and I will say I am always open to hear your side, and I am always like I'll always listen with open ears because I believe we all have stuff to learn from each other. So it's like maybe there's a level of it. I'm gonna say right now my stance is I still think there is something greater at work at the same time with the zodiac stuff as well. All right, let's see. And the Mayans follow the sun and stars. Wait, hold up. Okay. Yes, sir. True facts, Matthew. No, yeah, I know about the Mayans. I just, if you want to connect the Mayans and the Bible to me or for me, hey, go ahead. Hey, once again, I'm open, and I appreciate you sharing your opinion, honestly. And there you go, D Scurv. Yes, sir. But and honestly, Tana the Cannon, hey, I like the discussion because right now it's kind of slow. We're just kind of like trending down a little bit. It's like I feel like it helps pass the time. I actually like it on the cool. Hey, D Scurv, who created the stars? You know that's up for debate to some. I know, but it's up for debate. Some would say. All right, so the spy is like kind of crossing this little. I don't know. It's trying to move in a way that makes me not want to trade it. Like I'm 100% like okay sitting on my hands. I didn't think I was going to trade spy yesterday, but also this isn't like confirmation or anything either. So I'm holding 250 November for Boar. I mean, I'm not familiar with that, but let's take a look at it. Is there a reason? Is there like a catalyst? I do see they kind of like. I mean, you're hopefully you've been. Oh, okay. It has a little. Oh wait, this is a 5 minute. Okay, so we got a little pop on it today. That's a good look. I mean, hopefully it can kind of keep up with that. I agree. Spy is looking like it's gonna be choppy again, but we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. Like as the day goes on, as we get more data, I do feel like it's gonna move towards one of these areas. I just feel like they don't wait to the end because it's I don't know. It's like I can't do the zero DTEs, but honestly, if I find a good swing, I'll find a good swing. Like say we close the day up here, I will take a swing to the downside. I'll probably throw like no greater than like 150 at some kind of swing for downside. And then if we come, I don't think I would swing a call. Like I don't think I would, but if we come up here, I'll swing a put. But if we come down here, I'll play a call. Like I'll play a zero DTE call. When I went to college, went to a Bible group, and they talked about the stars telling the story of the Bible since there wasn't much written back. Interesting. Guys, what growth stocks we looking at now? I've got these cheap ones on my list. I think they can run more than 2x soon. What is this? Hold up. Oh, okay, that's my wife. I'm like, yo, I just got like, Okay, let's see. Yeah, back to the growth stock question. So LIDR, that one's a newer one for me. I mean, I personally own in VTS, not a lot. APLD. My thing is not trying to spread myself too thin. Um, ACHR and serve under 10 looks taste. I would say, yeah, I would say like, yo, any of those that like kind of pullback areas, or like just depending on how far you're looking out, they look good. If I love a price, I'm a buy it. Bohr is a mining company raising money. Let's appreciate the little feeling. It'll keep going, I bet. Okay. Took profit on APLD just watching it. What trades am I making today? So I'm hoping to get. Honestly, I don't think the AMD is going to happen, but uh, I'm I'm hoping to do something with this buy, but we'll see. It's like gotta get some proper movement. Tesla's kind of still melting up though. Look at it. What's Tesla looking like on the 15? I might nah, Tesla's like in the middle of this range. Actually, hold up. Let's go to like a 1. All right, here, let's slide that up. I don't know. As of right now, it's like it looks like I would be closer to getting a swing on anything than anything else, but we'll see. Tesla has made itself thrown itself on the board though. Let me check kind of news and catalysts on Tesla real quick just to see if it's something that I would be cool with trading against. Yeah, Tesla's like it's like overbought. Hold up, what's it looking like on the 4? It's not quite on the 4, but let's see. It is on the 1. Yeah, I would like to see I would love to see Tesla push up. What else? Go on Tesla. Let me see what that looks like over here. Slide that down a little bit. Still near that. There we go. Oh no, it's trying not to. Thinking of putting a put on QQQ like I've been king the past few days and still making like 100. Hey, I mean, hey, it could happen. Let me go back to 5 minute on the Qs. The volume is like very low right now. I don't think Trump's trying to say anything as outlandish as it's trying to make it seem. Yeah, we're really just sitting here consolidating. Oh, Trump still hasn't shown up. Hey, that might be why we haven't got any volume. I'm like, man, whatever is going on, he's probably chilling. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Good old Trump. Oh, hilarious. Grump is in the green room watching Bloomberg. He's like, oh, yeah, it's not at the right level yet. I needed to come down here so I can go out here. Well, I don't know why I tried to give that accent. I don't know why I'm talking like that. But yeah, he's like, it's not at the right level yet. I needed to, the price needs to be down here for me to step out. Or maybe it needs to be up here for me to step out. I don't know. Show them I mean business. Wow, the chat said 80% green. We are very green today though. 12% red. I think the killer move would be for us to here. Let's see what are we looking like on the 15. Let's move everything over to the 15-minute chart. I would like to see double tops. I don't think AMD is not going to move today. It doesn't look like, or maybe. Never mind. Disregard what I said. What is this? How did this get my number? This looks like a legit text from a legit business, but it says ultra fast streaming and premium Truth social features are waiting for you. Sign up for Truth Plus beta. What is this? Is this like Trump's Truth Social? What is this? Truth Social TV. Romero, hey, happy Friday. Happy Friday. I'm just, hey, don't mind me just trying to figure out what's going on with this Truth Social TV thing. All right. Yeah, we're like chilling right there. I'm gonna have to look up if this has anything to do with Trump. Maybe this is what he's gonna be talking about. Oh, okay. Okay, I think this is okay. Hey, let me take a look at DJT. Where's that priced at? You see it on the weekly. I see them trying to market to me. Let's see. Let me just mess around with it. Let's see what's up. if I did this? Nah. Here, let's take this, slide this down here. Has it been here before? Nah. Yeah, let's add an alert there. I didn't realize Trump was actually doing something with this little with DJT, so that's interesting. THAR put in this. Here, let's see. Do you want to tell me about it? Yeah, definitely took off a couple days ago. Oh, it's a pharmaceutical. Wait, pharmacokinetic stimulation. All right, so it looks like it's a biotech kind of play. I'm gonna go back to a 5. But yeah, they're just trying to burn people today. Isn't that applied materials? Oh, they're kind of sold off today. Let's see. Oh, so no, that's from earnings. They sold off. So they're consolidating. They're trying to. Here, let's look at them on a weekly. Oh, they look like they're about to cross to the downside. So I'll say they'll probably, like, if I had to assume, actually, here, let's see. So I would say they're in a downtrend. And I would say, like, if we wanted to look for a continuation, okay, hold up, SPY's coming down. Let's see. Still following that trend. What is this other trend I drew? I'll wait for it. Let me zoom out real quick. Okay. Just started building a long position, 10 shares up. I feel like it could come back and retest this short-term low if it comes up to like 167. All right. Yo. Which one of these? Here, let's go back to a 5. All right, so SPY. Here, we'll wait for this candle, but I would say SPY is below this one trend line. Actually, here, let's. Volume's still very low. Nvidia is going to sell. That's kind of how I'm feeling, Maurice. I'm kind of feeling like they're going to sell off after earnings too. Like I think I saw like either yesterday or the day before there was a lot of call volume on them, but they also got a pretty decent move up today. Or not like nothing crazy, but all right, so we're approaching some levels on this buy. Volume is still low. I'm not going to lie, I was looking at getting a short here, but I can see that volume is low, so I'm not going to get a short. I'm looking for the reversal now. Unless we can get an increase in volume. Am I going to put a No, I'm not getting it. I'm not going to trade Nvidia at all. So their contracts are expensive. Like because they have earnings ahead of them. And until they have their earnings, which is like I think next Wednesday. Yeah, I'm not touching them at all. They're overpriced. All right, so who was it, Devin? Are you still in your put? All right, yo, it's going. I'm curious how that put I was looking at is doing. Okay, it's up at 120, so that it'd be at 100% right now. Volume is still low though. Actually, this one's surpassed the other bars. Let's see if we can get a. Come on. They like to move slow, but we're starting to see some stuff. I'm here for it. Come on. Sell it off. You said, yes, I am. Where to cash out? Hey, wherever you're happy with I have no idea. I mean, it still has momentum and you still have the trend. But like if you see a price that you're happy with, take profit. That's like a lot of the times I take profit, I'm like, oh, it can still keep running, but oh no, yeah, I'm good with that. And I just cut out. It's like you don't need to hit a home run every day. It's just like it's like moving forward every day will get you a lot further than trying to hit a home run. Because a lot of times when you try to hit home runs, you miss a lot. So you'll likely be able to load a lot more bases getting a bunch of smaller or a lot of singles as opposed to trying to hit home runs all the time. Like we're just trying to get on base. Hey, Devin, look, you can learn this early on. I'm gonna let you know I didn't. I didn't. And if I'm being 100% real, I did not. But I'm gonna say you can learn this early on. Or here, let's say you can learn this the easy way, or you can learn this the hard way. But either you're never gonna win, like like I'm not trying to like be negative, but I think that's being negative is the only way to really say this. Either you're never gonna be like truly profitable, or you're gonna get that greed under control. Johnson and Johnson is slow, but it's been going up for a while. Hey, it's good when you're able to find like good consistent trends. Let's see. Johnson and Johnson was one I used to look at like when I first got into the market. It was yeah, Yoko, that's how I started. That's how I like initially was gonna say it. So it was the Boondocks, but that dude from the Boondocks was actually it was actually a real dude that was in prison. It was an actually dude. It was an actual dude. I remember seeing him on the news. Hey, look, I'll tell you. Oh, you said these commercials. Oh, hey, Southern Magnolia. Perfect timing. Because it looks like the likes have finally beat the number of viewers. Let's get rid of those commercials. Let's see. Hey, no more commercials. You say, yeah, I know. I think I bet myself in the rear end. You should. Oh yeah, it's trying to find a little life right now. Looks like that one this support is holding up for now. For now, we'll see. We technically haven't gotten confirmation on this close yet, but yo, let's go likers. We got 78 likes. Let's get it. I sold with $14 profit. Hey, at least you came out in the green. I was not looking at taking a profit right or taking a call right here, so we'll still let it do what it does. Okay. The market is yo, it's not getting any money from me. I know that. Yeah, might end up having to go for a swing today. We'll see. Volume's still pretty low. Yeah, it could have been 50, but I got greedy. Lesson learned. All right, Devin. We'll check back. We'll check back next week. We'll see. Feel hey, you might be doing the same thing. At least you came out in the green though. At least you came out in the green. Yo, profit is profit. Yeah, yeah. Cause I don't think you said lesson learned, but I'm gonna be real. Like when I was starting out, I would not have learned. I'd be like, yo, cause honestly, I'll say there's a good chance it still comes back down. We'll see. And then like you looking back and seeing like, oh, it kept going down. I could have stayed in, but that's nah, still trouble. Nvidia turning up. Wait, okay, Trump is on now? Okay. Okay. Let me watch for the headlines. Nvidia turning up. Okay, let's pull Nvidia back up. Or pull Nvidia up. Small little turn up compared to its movement today, but we got things moving up. What's a good entry to play? I cannot tell you. I don't think anywhere is personally. I think the best way to play Nvidia earnings. That's like we got an entry like what like on Wednesday, but I personally don't find that's like I can't give you one because I don't think there is a I don't think it's a good idea to have any involvement beforehand. So I cannot really say. Especially if you're trying to trade with options. He's making an announcement about the 26 World Cup. I just got a notification about that. Like I think it was like Nike or something, but Osama, good morning. What am I missing out on? Nothing right now. He has a new hat that says Trump was right about everything. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to see that. Here, let me see if I can quietly just bring up the visual. I see two kind of sources. Here, we might pull Trump up for a moment. Let's see. I don't know, my computer's trying to be slow. Shocking he has that hat. He's so humble. Right? How do we get blessed with such a humble person? Damn, okay, I see the hat. I see the hat. I have it pulled up, but it's very laggy, so I just wanted to see the hat. Low-key, I got the transcript going. I'll I'll be on the lookout to see if I see anything like interesting being said, but probably not. What? All right, so a lot of nothing going on right now. I feel like the volume is coming up on here, let's see. Let me go to a 15 on the SPY. Nah. I'm gonna get rid of this other trend line. Or probably both of them. Here, let me show y'all real quick. Y'all see that? That's the hat. Trump was right about everything. There we go. Hood and SoFi definitely turning up. Hey, let's see. Oh wait, hold up. All right, my computer sounds like it's starting to work hard. Okay, so SoFi pumping. Hood still not at that level yet. I guess Robin or SoFi's not either, but yeah, sometimes you just gotta let it burn. All right, what's he talking about? You ever do any predictions? No. No. Let me see if there are any I want to though. Cause I definitely saw that I could like register for that yesterday. Let's see. Where did I see that? Maybe it was in investing? Stock lending. Stock market. I think it was in this area. Oh, apply to trade event contracts. Alright, so look out, SoFi hit all time high, no sellers. Now could actually I don't think it did it? Let's run back to the weekly. No, all time highs is like over here at 28. Yeah. So here, let's slide this up. So here, let's see. All right, so it's at one high right now. Yeah, so it just took out this high. There's some liquidity here. I mean, there could still be sellers here. But it'd be nice to see it get to 28, but that seems like a ways away. Yeah, I would love to see it at 28 though. Made like $70 last weekend. What were you betting on? What kind of predictions did you take? Oh, soccer games. Okay. Nah, I would need to bet on something dumb. All right, we'll see. We'll see. I'll bet there's a lot more sellers up there at 28 than up here at 25. I'd be willing to take a short on SoFi at that level if we catch it at all time highs. Just cause like I'm looking at it on a weekly, and the RSI on a weekly, my goodness. And to the idea of riding back like midway, last time it was like extra oversold. It getting to the 50, sure it went up, but it was 1664 to about, what was it right in here when it hit 50? About 1247. Oh, look at him holding the trophy. Oh, I guess y'all can't see that. He is holding the World Cup trophy. All right, how up are we since? Did we like tap into something? Like we got a good little move. I don't necessarily see a sweep or anything. Maybe we go for a double top. I don't know. I'd be down to also look at the possibility of a double top. Let's see. True on oversold, but the ceiling is right there. 2021 when it IPO'd. Yeah, that is the ceiling. Then once you bust through that ceiling, it can fly. can soar like a balloon with no ceiling. All right, SMCI went down to a demand zone. I could have had a better entry if I look back. Yes, when in doubt, zoom out. Don't know what to do? Look to the left. It's a lot of fortune in the history. Y'all, I'm not sure I'm gonna take a trade today. But honestly, if I don't take a trade today, I still see it as a win. Like, that's still a win to me. Because maybe it tries to run and do something like after the fact. I don't know. What time did I take my trade yesterday? I'm curious now. All right, let's see. What was I doing? I was doing something on my phone. I think it was stock related, but I cannot remember what I was doing. Oh, I was checking to see what time I took my trade yesterday. So we got the SPY. Wait, low-key, how'd that look on the 10? Oh, okay. But yeah. I was at like 12:16 yesterday. It's like 2 minutes past that. You said I was putting the call on SPY? Oh no, not quite, not quite. I don't think I have it in me just to go for it like that. I gotta be a little bit more conservative. Get the money, but it's like when I get the money, I like it runny. Like I want it to take off. Yeah, hey, for real. Yeah, it's always a win if you don't lose money in the market. All right, for real. Oh, okay. I see y'all playing games with the likes. I'm playing games with the likes. Okay. I think we had like 81. Now it's at 83. Hey, y'all playing games. Hey, don't be surprised if an ad pops up. Do not be surprised. And then if you have YouTube Premium, be very, very surprised if an ad pops up, because that's wild. But let's see. Oh, y'all trying to sneak them back in now. I see y'all. All right, let's see. I need prayers for it to go up or I'll faint. Oh no, we don't want Steve to faint. Push it up, push it up. I still want to see it. I would really like to see it at 604, but I might settle for 646.53. We'll see. It's trying to get back up there though. It's cool. All right, my question is, how long until they try to sell me out though? Still got like 2 hours. So that might just affect like kind of the size of things. I'm gonna go back in and look at the options analytics. Let's see. See how those numbers are faring right now. Still got a crazy amount of volume at 646 on the calls. A lot on the puts at 645. Open interest. Yes, please push it up. I'm out for the day. Market is just not there for me. And it's Friday. Hey, have your fun, family. Have your fun. Hey, go turn up with your $14. Hey, have yourself a nice little lunch or something. I don't know. Apple weighs using Google Gemini for AI for updated Siri Bloomberg reports. Okay. That's a good. Let's see what the Google charts looking like. Is Google Googling? Let's see on the 5. Did they? Oh wait, hold up. I feel like they've had like a string of good announcements just this past like 24 hours. Oh, the likes mysteriously came back. It came back. Okay. All right. I'm down only 100 on my bid. Hey, that means it's moving. It's moving for you. It was like 175 earlier, right? Here, actually, hey, real quick, let's pull up Microsoft. Oh, this is why I got on Microsoft. It's like it ran up to like 110, pulled back, and then like steady pulled back. It's not seeing the same like push as the rest of the market. There may be an opportunity for this at some point, but I'm not sure I'll take it when it comes. All right, so we got the SPY pushing. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. I'm not even in a trade. Y'all hear I'm all excited. I think I'm excited for the possibility of a short. Yo, it's going. Let's go, SPY. Come on. Take off. Let's go. Let's get it. Come on. Blast off. Blast off. Okay. Yeah, come on. Push higher. Yo, these puts are getting more expensive as the price of the calls are, or as the price of the stock is going up, the puts are getting more expensive. These market makers are watching me. I could have got them for cheaper when the price was lower. Okay, now they're getting a little lower, a little bit. Let's see it. Come on. Let's see it. Not yet, Philip. I'm watching. I'm watching Spy right now, but nah, that I have not. Let the stock price rise and the put price will fall incrementally. Incrementally. Yes, let it run up, please. Please run up. Potentially. Yeah, I'm trying to see like kind of how it looks if it gets there. We'll see. Like that 646.50 is looking nice, but we'll we have to see. It's like it had a nice little push. It's like the theta is not eating at these contracts though. I'm gonna need the theta to like yomp a little bit. Oh, that's one thing I didn't do. Let me look at the Greeks. Okay. Okay. All right. July 19th, 2026. World Cup Finals. There we go. New York. It says New York, New Jersey. Are we gonna get there, family? Hey, y'all, look at Google. Google's doing this little pushy push thing. I would still really like to see this 647. I'm not sure if I want to go for like a quick day trade or if I want to go for like if we can get to 647, I'll go for a swing. I don't know. Let's go back to a 5. Oh, we're still stringing them on the 5 too. Yeah, Google McDougal is blowing his bugle. All right, Tesla trying to oh, here. Where's AMD? Oh no, AMD's not even close, but Tesla, I don't know. We got the Qs running. Oh, we got up here today. These SPY contracts are barely moving. Let me take a look at something. See if there's a more efficient. So I was looking at those, but oh, also, where is VWAP at? Oh, it's still down here. Okay. Yeah, but the thing that scares me is these are these market makers and the way that they like to play these games. Or not the market makers. Well, actually, market makers, and then also how they like to close out early. Uber trying for. Did it jump up like that? Okay, I was about to say you had me thinking it was going for you had me thinking it was at like 99. I'm like, dang. Wonder if there's more news on Intel is going up. I think think the market's just moving up right now. Like, you can see everything kind of pushing up right now at the moment. Yeah, we might be able to get a little double top action today. We'll see. Here, let me see how much Monday would be. What is the delta? Really? It's only like... Shoot, I might actually be looking at Monday if I do anything. Cause I was looking at getting 3 contracts, but I feel like I'd be more willing to like ride if I know that I'm not going to get closed out right at the end of the day, or get closed out right before the move actually happens. I'll pay for that extra assurance. $12:34 Central Time. You say, yeah, I'm going to get a SPY put for Monday too. I was thinking about ever since it hit. Well, I got like all-time highs at 47.04, but maybe that could have been like what time was that at? Oh, that was at like, that was in okay, so that was like after hours that happened. That's what I've been like looking at today. I'm back. SPY put for Monday 5. Oh, Devin. I thought you were gonna have your Friday fun. I haven't quite got in mine yet. You know, SPY contracts trade till 15 minutes after the market closes. So Sometimes if anything crazy happens, you can either take profit up till then or enter up till then. Still trying to push up. We're looking like on the we're trying. Come on, push on up. Give us like a quick wick or something. Oh, so you're just gonna stay paying right there, Spy? Is that really how you feel? All right, Spy. Come on. Shoot, let me see what the zero DT is looking like. Nah, still not cheap enough for me to entertain that. Bro, that call I was looking at, yo, it was at like 140. Now it's at like 720 from yesterday. Oh no, my phone froze. Oh no. Oh no, it's not frozen. It's just my Robinhood app. Close that. Monday. What's the target on mine? I don't know. Some kind of like sell off. Yeah, I don't know exactly. I think it'd be nice if we can pull the 640. That would be clean, but I don't need to ride all the way there. Like 643 looks like a good kind of target. I don't know. I'm not even sure I would like ride it till Monday. I might just ride it till today. I just want to be able to benefit from the move. Oh, my Robinhood's working now. I forgot to update that. What's today, the 22nd? Yo, this is insanity. It's like it doesn't want to doesn't want to move. I don't think Trump's trumping the way he should. Come on. Yeah, Uber pushing D curve. There it goes. New little high on the day. Google new high on the day. Oh, he's talking about war. I see him say something, massive sanctions or massive tariffs. Okay, I think these transcripts are behind. Or we do, but okay. Yeah, these transcripts, that's like, there'll be like a lot typed, and it'll be there half a second, and then there'll be like 2 lines, and it'll be there a long time. Okay, I see him saying something about Vladimir. Canada deal on tariffs too earlier came out and oh, did they? That's kind of bullish. Maybe. I have a question. All-time highs on the SPY. Does that mean it's time for? I would say there's good potential, but also like sometimes you get all-time highs, and that just means like, oh yeah, let's blast through it. So what, we visited this level once. I would say that's a good grounds for a reversal, but it really just kind of depends on like what's accompanied with it. And the files. Are we talking about the steen of the ep? Oh yeah, I really might just not trade today. If I don't take a trade on stream, I'm not taking a trade unless it comes to 647. Know that. Because I think I have an alert at 647. This is just visual right here at 646.50. Very welcome, big time. Okay, the Steen of Ep. Okay. I'm of the belief that he's still alive. I don't know. I don't know if it was. I don't know what it was. It was quite some time ago, but it was after the fact. But I saw like somebody like flew a drone over to his island, and somebody was driving a golf cart on his island, and somebody stepped off out of the golf cart, and then they saw the drone, and as soon as they saw the drone, they like kind of covered their face and got back on the golf cart, and the person that covered his face looked a lot like him. So I don't know, that makes me it's like they never really confirmed his unaliving, and it's like they say he's unalive, but you never they haven't showed it. And then I see that it's like, I will admit, like, yo, it could have been altered with AI and everything, but this was like over a year ago I saw this, and I could very well see that man still being alive on this earth, on his island. It still seems like they're doing a lot to protect him. Or I guess protect the situation. What would my target spy put? Profit. Yeah, I really just be trying to get whatever profit I can. Like sometimes I might be like, oh, there's a quick 20. Let me go and get that. Oh, that other one is getting kind of cheap. The 0DT getting kind of cheap. Hold up, let's look at the. Okay, the delta dropped on it though. No, I still like the Monday. Are we gonna get there? Are we gonna Are they just teasing us? It look like they're just trying to tease. I used to think Elvis was still alive years ago. I think my fourth grade teacher said that too. Um, Honestly, I didn't have enough knowledge on the situation to really have a feeling on that. I have seen some people that said that, and I have seen like people saying he was someone else, and I've seen like some people that are alive today that look a lot like him, but yeah, I don't know enough about that one. But Mr. Island Man, I could very well see him still being around and kicking. Yeah, they're not trying to make this happen. Got the volume nice and low though. That's what I'm looking for. Looking for a double top. I mean, that's kind of what it looks like. It's like if we don't get a equal top, or if the other top is lower though, I'm not taking the trade. Island Man, who are we talking about? Epstein. let's see. Let's see. You said, oh, that's because there are a lot of big names tied to that island, including all of. Hey, for real. Yeah, there are a lot. Yeah, so it's kind of crazy, honestly. You said all or most present. Yeah, that's kind of crazy. Like, that honey pot was very sticky. Bro, it's like, I don't even know what to say. It's like I want to know what goes on, but I also pray I never like understand the situation of whatever went on out there, or like whatever these people are holding. Like I know there's like a level of wealth, and there's like some things people on the outside will never understand, but it's like, yo, I don't know why we all like what it is that is drawing everyone out there. And yeah, I don't know. All right, so we're still just chilling here. Let's see. Where's my phone at? Where's my All right, going to head out. Thanks for everything. Go green. Hey, peace out, Master DR. Have a blessed weekend. Amazon trying to break out and up. Hey, that's probably for the Hertz thing. Okay, Amazon doing their thing. All right, let's see how Hertz is doing real quick. Yeah, cause yeah, I know Chase was talking about Hertz, but I was like, I feel like Amazon benefits more from that. Let's see the news. Amazon's recent sales, price protection. Amazon's grocery ambitions are enticing. Proceed with caution. I don't know. Yeah, we'll see. Intel gonna pop. Trump mentions it. Let's look. I just turned it off. I think I took a trade. Maybe it was last week or the week before. I don't know. I think it was like I think maybe last week I took something on Nvidia. I'm like, oh, he said something about Nvidia and their Blackwell. I thought it was gonna pop. It did not. And then I lost on that Nvidia trade. But yeah, we got it up. We got it up. I think he's been talking about it like all week though, or maybe since last week. Yo, we are not moving. Buddha Deb, good afternoon. Honestly, we're preparing to get off. But hey, good afternoon. All right, let's scope around some different time frames. Yeah, I think it may just not happen today. We got this low volume, and I think I may just not be paying attention today. We still got VWAP all the way down here though. What if we get a VWAP move? Getting a little sell-off action here. Oh, this is a 5-minute candle. Yeah, selling on off a little bit. Intel selling off a little bit. Oh, I got Intel up on 2 different charts. I didn't even realize that. Yeah, but got Intel selling off a little bit. SPY selling off a little bit. Q selling off a little bit. Can you look at Rocket before you go? What's the ticker? Got a 21-2 option expiring January 16th in hopes of rate cuts. But go surprising. Okay. Okay. So what are we trying to look at with this? I know you said you have a. I see the expiration. See the jump. I mean, like it looks like it has good momentum on the weekly. And if you have till January, it really just depends on like whether or not you want to take what you have or want to kind of ride. It's like how much is extra percentage worth? You're up 50%. If you got it in a short amount of time, it's like I'm sure it can move up and move higher than that. But that's not necessarily any need to ride that far. It's like I imagine it's like pretty close to making the move you were looking for. If you were looking at it going like higher, then like say you thought if you think it's going to like 26, then that's one thing. But this is an area of potential resistance. It just kind of just depends, like, on whether or not you're trying to, like, what you're trying to do with this contract. It's like 50% today. Like, if you get multiple 50% trades in that same time frame, that could add up to more than what you're doing. But also, if you can just kind of leave it to do its work, you also don't have to overwork by doing too many trades. So no, I have not picked up a trade. I don't think I'm going to. If I do, it would probably be like either if we come up to this 647.05 area, or if I just happen to see like a stock just somewhere. But as of like right now, I think I'm probably just going to go about do my thing for the day. All right. No trades for me today. Hey, good stuff, Philip. That's a win. That's a win. Got my profits and taking them. Let's next week be next week. Hey, 100%. We got some good wins. Hey, that's what we like to hear. I took an L today, but I'm cool because I stuck to my discipline, and now I'm about to get on with my day, get on with my weekend, and it's all good. Uh, I'm trying to hold through all the Fed meetings anticipating rate cuts. All right. Well, Southern Magnolia, if that's what you're trying to do, I would stick to it. I anticipate rate cuts as well, and I would say like, hey, it's good to hear yourself state what you were intending to do. Stick to the plan. And then maybe if you want to set a condition, you're like, oh, if I happen to see this here and I still have this amount of time, if you want to give yourself an out, that's cool too. But yeah, stick to the plan. Didn't faint, $50 loss. I mean that's more manageable, Steve. I think it was around like 545 50 or so when you were looking, so that's good. So yeah, with that being said, family, that's gonna do it for the day, do it for the week. Unfortunately, no trade today. I'm sure there will, or I'm not 100% sure, but I feel that there's gonna be some kind of like move today. I'm probably not gonna be watching the market to see it, so it's just one of those things. But yeah, with that being said, appreciate each and every one of y'all for stopping by. Um, hope each and every one of y'all's trades go y'all's way. Hope y'all have a blessed weekend. Love each and every one of y'all, even the haters in the chat. And what was I gonna say? What was I gonna say? Yeah, peace out. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, Mass 3DRC. Peace out, D Scurv. Peace out, Ann. Peace out, Buddha. Peace out, Southern Magnolia. Peace out, Philip. Peace out, Kong. Peace out, Steve. Peace out, Henry. Peace out, Natasha. Peace out, Luke. Peace out, D Scurv. Peace out, Tommy. Peace out, Cortez. Peace out, Big Time. Peace out, Elegant Boom. Peace out, Young Jung, Uni Jung. Peace out, Ricky. Run. Peace out, Hello 715. Unfortunately, I have to say goodbye. But peace out, Haldane. Peace out, Anil. Peace out, XO Cole. And I think that's gonna do it. But yeah, y'all stay blessed. Have a blessed weekend. Matthew Mayo signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, family.